Gabby. I'm back here in front of you. Today I will be talking about how I style my bangs, but I just got a new haircut. I cut off like 4 inches. This is my usual go-to look when I do get a haircut. My bangs are all back now. It's been a while, o랜만이다, since the bangs were at play in this channel plus everywhere else because my bangs were really long and I didn't want to cut them. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. I haven't really done a lot for my hair these days, but since my hair is like waving outwards like this, I kind of don't like it because the other side is not doing that. Like this one's going in and this one's going out. What I usually do to make it look less messy kind of is to pin it back like this. Yeah, makes me look a little tidier. It looks like I tied my hair, but really it's just like pinned back and stuff like that, just for the front. I don't really mind what it looks like in the back, to be honest, because no one's looking at the back of my head. So yeah, usually when my hair or my bangs are specifically a little longer, I would just put them to the side like this. Curtain bangs, I would say. I believe that's what it's called. And it gives you like this neat and tidy vibe. That's like usually what I tend to do. Or if anything, I pin it back fully. But yeah, this is simply it. For the most part, they grow this way. Like they grow out this way, so I think it's fine. Kind of makes you look a little chic and cute, kind of. So yeah, that's, I guess, the first way how I style my bangs. They're kind of cuter when they're longer and they're like curtain bangs because they reach up to here and it gives you a little silhouette kind of to your eyes. If I have a picture of my bangs looking like that, I will attach them here at the screen right now. On to my next way I style my bangs. Usually this is my favorite or go-to, especially when I just feel like I want to oomph up a little the bangs. I mainly use a hair roller. Usually I take out like just the center part, like this part. It would make like a triangle shape on your hair like that and just roll it up. Yeah, usually I would leave it on my head for like 2-3 minutes just so it could look a little more decent, kind of. What it does mainly is it gives your bangs volume and it's a little just like swoopy. But I only use this when it's like perfectly grown. See how there's a bump? Previously it was like flat like this, but because of the hair roller, more volume to it, and that's usually what I'm trying to go for. Just a classic way I style the bangs. For this last one, I mainly do this when I'm feeling like a little extra, a little cutesy vibes. This is the Conair straightening iron. I believe this is 1.5 inches thick of the plate. So yeah, usually what I do is section it off. I use the main middle as this one to just twist it out like this, and it grows like that. Kind of gives you like a bump and a twist at best, like that. Gives you like that. When my hair is usually like this, like when it looks like this, I would like curl it all together. Just one droop, and it's a little better. The bangs are a little like wavy and cute. Usually I would curl a little bit of my hair. So in this sense, like it gives you a little more like life and cuteness. I usually wear this kind of style when I'm feeling a little girly and I want to look a little decent if I'm meeting someone new and stuff like that. Usually this is the kind of hair that I would go for. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of fix my hair. It's a little interesting process, to be honest. These are just some of the ways I try to change how I look every now and then. And as someone you've seen with different colors over the past year, this is the only way I could entertain myself with just this normal brown hair of mine. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. and I guess learning from me. This has been a huge trend in Korea these days, like styling your bangs to, I guess, give more variety for your looks. This was a cute experimenting time for me, like while making this video, so I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope we all keep growing. Bye!